Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from your Disney Plus account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in disneyplus.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Disney Plus. Now proceed with logging into your account if you haven't done so already by using your email address and your password. And once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page. Now click on the profile icon at the top right corner and then click on account. You will now be taken into the account page from which you will see your current subscription underneath the subscription options. Go ahead and click on manage on iTunes and you will be taken into your subscription management options. Once you log into your iTunes account from this page, you will be able to change your subscription preferences and you can also terminate your subscription if you wish to do so. And there you have it. That is how you can go about to cancel your subscription on Disney Plus. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.